ready to learn how to get your business from where it is now to where you want to be. To know the secret sauce, immerse yourself in this informative video and PPT deck on gap analysis. The first template contrasts the quality, users, data, and tool against the current processes, target state and actions that must be taken to implement the results of the analysis. Use template 2 for a more direct approach. Ask what, where, when and who questions to get to the desired state. Download our gap analysis PPT deck to improve business operations. Not just that, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. In template 3, dig in deeper. Here, you can split the process into data collection and analysis and deliver nuances separately, but in the same place. Use template 4 to not only showcase people, timing, process, and more in the rows, but study these in an even more granular detail for a more in-depth analysis. Implement template 5 to showcase gap analysis in 3 phases with the current and desired states, evaluated on the latest KPIs. For more such templates, visit www.slideteam.net.